welcome on my channel. Today short test and short review the speed controller for motors. Maybe anybody remember during the review and test of bathroom fan I found so it's very noisy because it's working on the full speed, so I start looking for a speed controller for it. Of course I can build something myself. I tried to find anything, but first of all it was too big or the information provided was too small, and I afraid so it will not wanna work on the low speed. It means the frequency is too low. Finally I found something like that according the seller, not manufacturer. Seller it should work on a 15 kilohertz, so it's enough to control DC motors without any problems. And today I wanna test it, but because fan are inside the van, I have no other motor, and I wanna check personally on this my fan, so I will do it inside the camper van. Right now just take a look inside. According the seller it can maintain up to, I don't know, 20 or 40 amps. This huge amount, huge for my need, because I need something less than 2 amp, but maybe it lasts longer. Of course I get it from eBay without any manual. This I have to take a look for the manual on auction description, and of course what we have, but this is simply the input plus minus, and for motor plus minus doesn't make a difference, to tell the truth, and should operate with forward and reverse. So size as is. I think was some problem with size also, because few sellers give the different dimension, but from I found is enough small to fit in my place where I wanna fit it. Okay, so we test it inside the van. First which wire of what color? Yellow, white, and yellow and white, black. Okay, and let's say we can start testing. First what I wanna do, I wanna connect. Where is minus? This is plus, this is minus. Connect to the battery. So what to check how big current is in this circuit, but let's say run, and fan runs at 50. Again to 50. Right now and first of all is working, and working in silence, so it's proper. This is what I wanna get, so it's okay. Okay, check reverse. Reverse. Just to remind, it's usually it's working in the full speed like that, so it's really too long. With this speed controller, we get quite nice results. Of course, it's like I said earlier, way too huge, let's say, for this current, but maybe because of that it will work longer. I will try to check how big current is going in a standby. I connect multimeter, so we will check how much current they eat in the idle. It's not much, but something. It's a 21 milliamps. Let's check for the smaller. On the idle, it's 14 milliamps with switch off illumination. With switch on illumination, it's a 21 milliamp. Probably I will just add one switch which disconnects this speed controller. So if anybody looking for speed controller for standard fan without like any speed controller like fiamma, which when this fiamma, when it works on a full speed, is really noisy, so we have to slow down. I think it's a good solution. It's not expensive. Maybe size is too big, not much, just compared to this or to my hand, but it's shallow, so it's easier to fit anywhere. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, like it and subscribe, of course.